The following instructions are for a mini Nucleus workstation. Before you begin, please make sure you have all parts and tools needed for the assembly. Place one of the open cabinets with adjustable shelves and one of the cabinets with doors upside down on a protected flat surface with its sub-bottoms facing up. When you're placing cabinets A and B down on the protected flat surface, align the pre-drilled holes on the side of the cabinet A to the pre-drilled holes on the back of cabinet B. With cabinets A and B aligned together, place a 1/4 inch 20 by 30 mm joint connector bolt with Loctite through the pre-drilled hole on the inside of one of the cabinets. While holding the joint connector bolt flush to the cabinet, take a 1/4 inch 20 by 17 mm joint connector nut and attach it to the end of the bolt, turning it clockwise until it's completely on. Use a 4 mm Allen wrench or a 4 mm hex bit and a screw gun to tighten as needed. Repeat the last two steps to attach cabinets C and D together. With all 4 cabinets attached together, take the caster base and center it on the 2 cabinets. Make sure the pre-drilled holes and threaded inserts are facing up. Using a number 2 square bit, attach the caster base to the base cabinets using number 10 1 1/2 inch square drive flathead screws. Now, align the casters with the threaded inserts. Use the 1/4 inch 20 by 25 mm joint connector bolts to attach the caster to the cabinet. Repeat this for the remaining casters. With someone's help, position the cabinet right side up. Make sure to have 2 locking caster levers pushed down to secure the cabinet in place. Place the top on the cabinets. Align the pre-drilled holes on the cabinets with the threaded inserts in the top. Using a 1/4 inch 20 by 35 mm joint connector bolt, insert the bolt through the pre-drilled hole up into the threaded insert of the top. Use a 4 mm Allen wrench or a 4 mm hex bit and a screw gun to fasten the bolt into place. After the first bolt is fastened, proceed attaching the remaining bolts in the cabinet, 1 bolt per cabinet. If any shelving or doors were removed, place the shelving back in place and then attach the doors. The mini Nucleus workstation is fully assembled and ready for the classroom.